Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggless fudge. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, about 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Also, prepare an 8 by 8-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. This makes removing your fudge much easier later on. Now let's get melting. In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine your 2 cups of chocolate chips, the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and the 4 tablespoons of butter. Microwave this mixture on high for 30 seconds, then stir thoroughly. Repeat this process, microwaving for 30-second intervals and stirring until the mixture is completely smooth and glossy. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes total. Once your fudge mixture is perfectly smooth, it's time to add some flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste, or a pinch of sea salt to enhance the chocolate. Immediately pour the warm fudge into your prepared 8 by 8-inch pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Now, the most important step: refrigerate the fudge for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it is completely firm. Your delicious eggless fudge is now ready. Once it's completely firm, use the parchment paper overhang to carefully lift the entire block of fudge out of the pan. Place it on a cutting board and, using a sharp knife, cut it into 1-inch squares. This recipe yields about 64 pieces of rich, creamy fudge. Store any uneaten fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.